Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to review this RV park. I think it's called Rockin' Rose RV Park here in, I don't know the city. I'll put it there somewhere, yeah, down there. But anyway, I'm gonna go check it out and come along with me. We'll show you a few of the spots and what it's like, and just exactly how close is it to the interstate, which is pretty close. Anyway, come along with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. And here's a few of the rules. I see one down here that I think I already violated. Number 12, this is washing of cars, RVs, or equipment strictly prohibited. Technically, I didn't exactly wash my RV. I basically just got the bugs off the front of my windshield in front of the RV. But that was it. I didn't go down the sides or anything like that. So I think I'll be okay. But here's the RV park itself. I'm over here in B14, but here's the set of cabins, and over here is a set of this right over here is actually some standalone cabins. You can see them right there, so that's pretty cool. But those others are kind of like basically hotel rooms right here. There's all four right together. But this is their main building here. The main office is here, and there's a laundry room, and I think there's a bathhouse right in here, or laundry at the end, but we're gonna look at that in just a minute. And there's also something upstairs we're gonna go see. Boy, that sure is a busy little intersection. You can hear it. Most places like this, the traffic lightens up a little bit at night, but we don't sleep with the windows open in places like this, so we're okay. Well, these are actually cabins. There's 4 rooms here, so you could actually pull in here off the beaten path and get you some shade from these nice trees, and stay here if you were traveling instead of getting a big giant what do they call those hotels. This will probably be just a little bit cheaper. You got a nice little swing here. There's actually a playground out back, and we'll see that in just a minute. So here's the shower. Oh, nice. Check out that sink. That's a cool sink. However, there's no plumbing here. But here's this place to sit there. We got showers. Showers look like they're in pretty good. Deposit tokens. What was that tokens for? Is that for your shower? I don't know. Let's see. Let's turn this on. Wow. Okay, so you get yourself a token, you throw it in there, and then you get a shower like they do at truck stops. These are all showers. No, these are toilets here. Toilets. Oh, that's a big shower there. And a big shower there. Neat. They've really done a good job refurbishing it. I like the steel and the wood in here. It's kind of cool. And they do have some horseshoes here on the floor. The women's restroom, which is there, is not complete. They're still renovating it. It's probably not even really open for use. ATM? No. Looks like it was in jail and it's now been removed. I can't imagine they get enough business to warrant an ATM here. But we're going to go to the laundry facility here, which I just stuck my head in here. Looks like you pay by those cards. Get yourself, actually, here you pay by phone. $3.25 to dry. Ooh. $3.20 to wash. Yikes. And they got a little sitting area here to wait on your laundry. No TV. So they got a place for one. Tokens. Like this is mailboxes in case you're here for long term. Get yourself a mailbox. Awesome. Yeah, there's a cable hookup. Looks like it hadn't been used for a while. Soap and bleach and stuff like that. Nice. I like the decor, though. They've done a good job. They've tried to jazz it up a little bit. Nice big table. Chairs look like they're in good shape. Cool. Let's see what else we have. All right, so we're here upstairs. It looks like these are rentals also, because they've got a keypad thing. They're on both doors. But anyway, this is upstairs. It's like a big water tank there. It's like a propane. Let's go look at one of the spots. So I actually came in that way. That's the main road there, and there's your building. So we're going to kind of come here behind it. It's like almost a little park right there, I guess. We're going to look at this spot here. It's actually a spot on the side. I don't think this is really a pull through, but so you get sewer, water right here together to include your hookups. this is anything like mine, and it is. I'm going to turn those off. I don't like leaving those breakers on when no one's here in it. So here we got 30 amp, 50 amp, and 110. So that's great. 110, normally people will use that. If they're here tent camping, they pull in their van or something like that, they can use 110 just fine. But most people, if they've got any type of RV type of unit, they need at least 30 amp. This in here maybe 30 amp. That one's probably 30 amp. Normally you can tell if they've only got one air conditioner on the roof, it's probably 30 amp. If they got 2 air conditioners or more, like 3, or well, normally 3 is about the most you'll see, that's what you're going to see is it's going to be 50 amp. So that's what these are. So I believe all these are 50 amp. I've looked at 4 or 5 of them, and they've all been 50 amp. Looks like some of these they've poured some concrete there maybe, but not a bad spot if you're in a pinch, you need it overnight, or you want to stay for a while. Again, this is about halfway between Corpus Christi and San Antonio. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of Reba's Rockin' Rose RV Park. I told you this is located actually off I-69, I believe is what that is. And there's actually a dog park. And it needs to be mowed. I wouldn't take my dog in there because you can't tell if there's snakes in there or not. I thought I just saw one, but there's not. But there's also a playground here that you see here. And nearby there's a big cast iron bull. You see him? I might just get closer to that one there so you can see it real close. Yeah, let's take a look. Hey boys, I guess he depicts a longhorn. This looks like it used to be a, yeah, one of those. Cookout grill, nice. Someone put it in here. Hadn't been used in a while. That's kind of cool. Well, it would have been neat if they would have taken the ends off these horns so that when the smoke came out, it'd come out the horns. That'd be cool. Or maybe it probably does come out the nose though. So, and the eyes. So that's still a cool touch. Neat. The things you find at RV parks. That's really cool. Anyway, hey, be sure to like and subscribe and send this to your friends who are maybe in the area and they're looking for some place to stay overnight. I think it was $40, $45 to do it all for a military discount, which I did get. I always got to ask that because you never know if they do or not. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But most places do, like about 5% or so, $10 off or whatever. As I mentioned before, be sure to like and subscribe and check out this park, Reba's Rockin' Rose. I don't know why I can't get that straight. Reba's Rockin' Rose RV Park here in this little town. The little town's not too far. There is a Dollar General store within 3 miles. There is not a Walmart within 24 miles. And Verizon and AT&T is sketchy out here, but you can get Air TV here, which is what I'm going to be watching the NCAA basketball because I'm going to be watching Air TV. But anyway, I'm going to let you go and check out this RV park because you are now leaving the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.